Want the fluffiest pancakes of your life? Today I'm sharing a unique recipe with secret ingredients that make each bite soft, airy, and bursting with flavor. Here's what you need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of potato starch for extra lift, 2 tablespoons of almond flour for a nutty touch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and the zest of 1 orange. For the wet mix, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup of cultured buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of sparkling water. Yes, sparkling water is the secret fizz. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of mild olive oil or melted butter. In a large bowl, whisk all the dry ingredients together. In another bowl, beat the egg lightly, then add the buttermilk, sparkling water, vanilla, and olive oil. Pour the wet mixture into the dry and stir gently. Don't overmix, lumps are perfect. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes so the baking powder can work its magic. Heat a non-stick pan on medium-low and lightly grease it. Scoop a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form and edges dry, about 2 minutes. Flip and cook another minute or 2. For souffle-style fluff, cover the pan for 30 seconds after flipping. Stack them high and serve with a drizzle of warm citrus honey, fresh berries, or even whipped goat cheese if you love a savory twist. Remember, sparkling water and potato starch are the real game changers for that cloud-like texture. If this recipe made you hungry, tap that like button and subscribe for more creative kitchen magic. Your weekend brunch just leveled up.